Kinong yalam kah New Trap National Youth Movement kilakan tho balaraja ya ka jingkieng damsai u superintendent of police ka East Castle District udai ban siam ya ka jing Khlieh bat kani ka jingkan tho kalawan hadien bo SP ha kamiet ka lai terik ula plat no ikitrok ki bakit platput ki bala sabat ha ka seng HNYM halor kani ka jing plat no jong SP ya kitrok ki bala sabat namar ka jingkit platput nakaliang jong ka HNYM ha ka khat riu terik mentau banai no pra kilalai ban ai ka jing ujol se register ka Meghalaya High Court namar ba kidon ka jing sukhia halo ka jingkieng damsai bat hadu menta kidang up ya ka jubab na ka ying bisar
hadien ba nilawan sa press conference mensengi janmit itu tangah por si phau berje benmiat USP jong ka East Castle District uba no tengah ula ai hukum ni ka osi jong mulai ban pelat no ikte bar khot kitrok je hakate ke sengi kita ke try trok bar khot kilawan kerpat ini ki ong ba sobha menban no ya ka FIR nagalang jungi ni pene namar balai ngem kwa ba kipai ba kin keno yang ngiru ba ngi dan mentah kini kun gikam ke ban yang pain ni pisah dah ke pisah ba ke kam jungi te hadien ba ila adan meeting mat ki hakata ke jok ke sengi ha ke por ni obuji ha po office jungi spo obuji ni yo jingtep ba USP ba de pelat yakini kali boro te hadien ba ada pelat nak yang jungi ngim dan ai show ban keren kum nuru ngi phone USP ru ngim so dan norem shu mentang ngi ha ketuga kan rutrek nila tho no daka city sha registrar jong Meghalaya High Court ba sim no ha ka kti jong ka Meghalaya High Court ya kini kijing le ba an jong ni pun nomor bali ngilong concern kum bangila dap kran ngilong concern ya kini ka dam sat nomor ba ka thi ka dam kala tlot kala man pra ku nu por mat lada ka pra ka te ka dam mono man ba Khlieh ka sang hi ka ong ba USP jong ka East Castle District uden ba Khlieh la ja kanu kuno ka jingja ka sosi ka parari ki jong ta ka juga por ni panram jurru ya kini ka sarkar ka ba syamla sim kanu ka sinjam ban kangs ya kini kitrok hadu mentar kidang pun kitrok ki baya long ba jong te jingking dam tengi ngi dei tang ki nong trai kampai ba nong trai sang balang ki ba ni trai mon sing ba nimla ban lay ap karot to man kesengi te kane kade ka khubor ka basai ya kini kita trok ru ba hadien bangila aisha ka shaw registrar jong Meghalaya High Court namar bang I ba ka High Court Meghalaya ka badan burom ki babon ki kam ki ba ka sarkar kam semlale ka High Court menta ka hable ita ka bor jong ka te ya kane ka kamru menta ngembar sing in hab ban tho shaw registrar jong High Court ha bangila da submit to country trick menta punai ha registrar jong Meghalaya High Court te hagabede kani ke banta ngin perkut no ngin sakawai pat ka banta kita galong hagabede ketu ka rally jogi karo menen
sipule ketu ka jingtho kita
kani to the registrar honorable High Court of Meghalaya subject complaint on overloaded trucks plying through Umïam bridge honorable sir with regards to the above mentioned subject the New Trap National Youth Movement will come before you placing a complaint against the 42 overloaded trucks plying through Umïam Bridge that captured by our members on the 9 December 2022 at around Prashitang 8:30 morning time. Nearby Umïam Bridge Arndang Brem Mauyong viewpoint. Sir, the capturing of our members to this 42 overloaded trucks is that we are concerned about the Umïam Bridge, which are very weak and we scared that any time the bridge would collapse if such overloaded trucks plying through this bridge every day and night. We are concerned about the life and death of the innocent people who reside downward of the Umïam Dam Bridge, and we're scared that if the government is still listening with the deaf ears, maybe something worse would happen to the innocent people. Honorable Sir, the releasing of Superintendent of Police East Castle to this overloaded trucks seems like he have no responsible for the innocent people who are reside downward of the Umïam Bridge. Actually, we have met personally with the SP of East Castle District to tell him about our concerns, but it seems like we are hearing in the deaf ears of the police department. So after we saw the irresponsible of the SP, we have no place to complain except to your office, which is the voice and power of the common people in general. Hagabede bakane hadien ba nila bo yakane ka city tengdang apat ya ka reply nak kot kai ka kot kan le alor jong kini ki trok ki belayat be an na pete ki jingkieng dam